You want to make money online? Everyone does. It's the new gold rush. Building websites and apps is like staking your claim. This ain't your grandpa's internet, folks. We're talking real opportunities to build something big. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or just someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this digital world is for you. Imagine waking up every day, excited to work on your own projects, set your own hours, and watch the money roll in. This is the power of the internet. This is the power of building your own digital empire. And the best part, it's easier than you think. So buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the world of websites, apps, and how to turn your digital dreams into cold, hard cash. Let's go. First things first, let's talk about the different types of websites and apps you can build. Think of it like choosing your weapon for this digital gold rush. Are you a blogger sharing your thoughts with the world? An e-commerce entrepreneur selling killer products? Websites come in all shapes and sizes. Blogs, e-commerce stores, portfolios, online courses, membership sites, the list goes on. Each one serves a different purpose, so it's important to pick the right one for your goals. Apps, on the other hand, are like the cool kids on the block. They live on smartphones and tablets, offering a more interactive and personalized experience. Think games, social media platforms, productivity tools, and everything in between. The key is to find your niche, something you're passionate about, and build something awesome around it. Remember, the internet is your oyster. Now let's talk about how to actually build these digital masterpieces. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. We've got options. No-code platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify are like the easy bake ovens of the digital world. They provide drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-designed templates, and user-friendly tools that make building a website or app a breeze. For those who crave more control and customization, coding is the way to go. Languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript give you the power to build anything you can imagine. Think of it as learning the secret language of the internet. Don't be intimidated by coding. There are tons of free resources and online courses available to help you master this valuable skill. And trust me, the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you build something amazing from scratch is priceless. So, you've got your website or app idea, you've chosen your building method, now what? It's time to set up shop in the digital world. First things first, you'll need a domain name, your online address. Think of it like the street address for your digital storefront. Make it catchy, memorable, and relevant to your brand. Next up, hosting. This is where your website or app will live on the internet. Think of it like renting space for your digital store. There are tons of hosting providers out there, offering different plans and features. Once you've got your domain name and hosting sorted, it's time to connect the dots and launch your creation to the world. This is where all your hard work pays off. Hit that publish button and watch your digital baby take flight. Section 5. Design and optimization, making your digital baby shine. Congratulations, you've launched your website or app. Now let's make it shine. Design and optimization are crucial for attracting visitors and keeping them engaged. Think of your website or app like your digital storefront. It needs to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and provide a seamless user experience. Invest in high-quality images, clear and concise copy, and a user-friendly layout. Optimization is all about making sure your website or app ranks high in search engine results and loads quickly. This involves using relevant keywords, optimizing images, and ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Remember, first impressions matter. A well-designed and optimized website or app can make all the difference in attracting visitors and converting them into loyal fans. Section 6. Monetization mania, turning your passion into profit. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, making money. Monetizing your website or app is how you turn your passion project into a profitable business. And the good news is, there are tons of ways to do it. You can sell advertising space, become an affiliate marketer, create and sell digital products, offer premium memberships, the list goes on. The key is to find monetization methods that align with your brand and provide value to your audience. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right strategies and a whole lot of hustle, you can turn your digital dreams into a reality. Section 7. Freelancing frenzy, skills that pay the bills. One of the best ways to monetize your website or app development skills is by becoming a freelancer. Businesses are constantly searching for talented individuals to build and maintain their online presence. Offer your services as a website designer, developer, or digital marketer. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with skilled freelancers. Build a strong portfolio, showcase your expertise, and start pitching your services. Freelancing allows you to be your own boss, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. It's a fantastic way to earn a living while doing what you love. Section 8. Digital products, creating and selling your own goldmine. Another lucrative avenue for monetization is creating and selling digital products. These can be anything from ebooks and online courses to templates, presets, and software. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold an unlimited number of times without incurring additional production costs. This makes them a highly scalable and profitable business model. Identify a need in your niche, create a high-quality product that solves a problem, and start selling it on your website, through online marketplaces, or via social media. Section 9. Take action. Your digital empire starts now. There you have it, a crash course in building websites and apps to make serious money online. We've covered everything from choosing your niche to monetization methods, and everything in between. Now, it's time to take action. Don't be afraid to dive in, make mistakes, and learn as you go. The internet is constantly evolving, so embrace the challenge and never stop experimenting. Remember, the most successful entrepreneurs are those who take action and never give up on their dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and build your digital empire. The world is waiting to see what you create.